Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can see your Gcash referral code. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So what we're gonna be doing is we're simply gonna go ahead, open up our Gcash app, and once we have done that, we're gonna tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So over here you shall be have an option where you will find the refer to friend option. Currently it is not available for me, but you will have the refer to a friend option where you will tap on it and your referral code, aka your referral link, will be generated. You can directly share the link to your friends, or the code will be generated and the code you can copy paste to your friend. Any social media platform there are in Gcash available for you, you can share it by them, or you can, as I mentioned, just copy and paste to them on your social media platforms, or just message them like that as well. That is the way to do so. Just open up your Gcash, sign in, and then go to refer a friend section in the my profile section and tap on it, and you will be able to simply send them the referral code for you. And that is basically how you will be able to do so. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching video till the end, and I will see you guys in our next video.